storm, what's going to be happening? Well, what we're going to see is this storm weaken and the energy is transferred to our coastal storm, and this begins to develop here. And what that means for the northeast and even into the southeast, lots of rain here, head farther to the north, a mix of sleet and freezing rain, and then even farther to the north we're looking at some snow and maybe even some heavy snow in some cases. Major cities affected: New York, heavy snow, possibly mixed late on Tuesday around the coast. Washington, D.C., you're going to see a light mix to rain in the morning, and Philadelphia and Boston also going to be feeling the effects. Here's what we're dealing with on Tuesday morning. Here's our low. We're seeing lots of wet weather here. Head to the north, we're dealing with freezing rain and sleet. To the north of that, snow, and we're just looking at a real mess here. Can't get much messier than this into the northeast. Real wintry weather headed your way, going to cause lots of headaches here. So we head into Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, back into New York State. Lots of wintry weather, lots of heavy amounts of precipitation too, maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain and a great deal of snow. Quite a swath here, maybe 3 to 6 inches, and heavier amounts here in northern Pennsylvania. As far as our temperatures, quite cool here overnight. We're going to see rather cool temperatures for most of the country except the southeast for highs on Tuesday. That begins to change as we see some cooler temperatures covering much of the country. No real cold air, but nevertheless we're dealing with some cool temperatures, maybe a moderating trend by Saturday. We're dealing with snow in the northeast as we head into Wednesday. Thursday, some action slides into the south central U.S. in the form of maybe rain, maybe snow, maybe some freezing rain. Here's how things are shaping up by Friday. More action in the northwest and maybe some interesting weather in the southeast. We'll have to wait and see.
I think I know some folks who are going to have a white Christmas.
That's right.
Stay tuned.